right, who wants to do the first one?
I'm still getting there.
Never mind.
Okay. I'm ready.
Is everyone else ready?
Sure.
Okay, I'll read the first question. What requirements must be checked when conducting a hypothesis test comparing two means with independent samples? Mark all that apply.
So a simple random sample withdrawn from each population. We need that. X bars only distributed for each group. I think we need the second one too.
A simple random.
I think it's only the first two.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can read the next one. So the test statistic for a hypothesis test comparing two means with independent samples is a t-score.
For a moment, I thought that F statistics said fantastic.
Fantastic.
No, it does look like it says fantastic.
I'll read the next one. Two samples are independent if knowing which subjects will be in group 1 determines which subjects will be in group 2, or knowing which subjects will be in group 1 tells you nothing.
Obviously the second one. Typically what independent means.
My turn again? I think so.
Okay,
Okay,
Andy's.
Well, I'll read it, but I still can't get my thing to work. I've been working on it, and I can do it on the paired spreadsheet, but not on the independent. Does anyone else have trouble with that?
Independent.
No.
Wait, what do you mean by independent?
That tab on the spreadsheet to do the independent test.
Oh, it's not working for you?
No, it's like mine doesn't have the formulas in it or something.
That is weird.
So you're trying to use the two sample.
Yeah.
That's weird.
And I just pasted the data there, but then it tells me that it's not the right size or something. I don't know. Anyway.
I can email you mine later so that you at least hopefully you'll have it for like the tests and stuff, and hopefully that one will work.
Yeah, I've just been using my husband's computer when he gets home from work, but that won't be till 6, so that's
so it works later on.
Yeah, so I'm able to do it later, but just not during this time.
Oh, what type of computer are you using?
An iPad?
No,
Because
well, I'm doing the group call on an iPad, but it's just a HP.
Because I know when I was taking my Excel class, if I used it on a Mac instead of Windows, it would have lots and lots of problems.
Oh, I use a Mac, but
okay,
it seems to work. I don't know.
No difference.
Maybe one of you can just show me a screenshot when we do these other ones so I can see what's going on while we're having the meeting today.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. So then you can actually see where we're finding the data and stuff.
Yeah. Perform a hypothesis test to determine if the mean bill at the Idaho Falls office is less than the mean bill at the Rexburg office, which means we have the null hypothesis. Mean 1 equals mean 2 for the null and alternative hypothesis. Mean 1 is less than mean 2. use the level of significance of 0.10. What is the degrees of freedom?
That would be 19.
Mm-hmm.
19. Where'd you get that?
Because degrees of freedom is n minus 1, right?
I think for this, degrees of freedom are different than normally, because normally it's n-1, but
Yeah, I was gonna say.
now it's saying on the spreadsheet 37.996.
Yeah, that's what
Oh,
I
it says-
I got.
wait. Where does it say on the spreadsheet?
Under DF.
Oh, I didn't know this stood for degrees of
Sure.
freedom.
Yeah. Does anyone know how to share their screen easily so that she can see it?
I can share it.
Thank you.
I'm terrible at sharing. I don't know how to do it.
Here's the button. Okay, share.
So, do you guys know why degrees of freedom is different for this?
What do you mean?
I'm not sure.
I mean, if you look
Like
at the
instead
formula
of-
where DF is, it says it's F18 minus 1. I don't know. That is weird. I don't know.
So I think that's really complicated.
Yeah, see, hers is really complicated. That is weird.
Okay, so 37.996 then.
Yep.
Wait, can you show yours again? Sorry.
Right here.
Yeah, that's okay. That makes sense.
Okay, so then what is the sample standard deviation for Rexburg? 206.637.
You know what? I think she's using, sorry, Kaylee, she's using the two sample test. I don't know if that's, you realize that. Maybe that's what you were doing differently
Oh.
than that's the one where the more complex equation.
Because I was using that one too. Are we supposed to still be using paired sample?
No, because this isn't a paired. This isn't a paired sample?
Yeah,
'Cause-
no, you're supposed to be using the two sample t-test, but you still came up with 19 on the two sample t-test?
Two sample t-test for means. That's the spreadsheet I'm using. And for standard deviation for Rexburg, I got 206.637. Oh wait, you're asking for degrees of freedom?
206.
Degrees of
Yeah, the
freedom
degrees
is
of freedom.
37.
Oh,
degrees of freedom
you
I
got
got
19. Okay.
996.
I thought you had 19. Sorry.
No, I thought it was 19 because I thought we were still doing the simple equation.
Oh, okay. Makes sense.
Okay.
Never mind.
Yeah.
I was trying to solve a problem that wasn't even there.
Yeah. But for 7, did you guys get 206.637?
Yes.
Okay.
So then for 8, what is the test statistic? And that would be negative 0.434.
Yep.
Are we still showing your screen? I can't see it.
Negative 0.434.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that what you got?
I could maybe just keep mine up and show the different areas where we're getting it from. Do you want me to do that?
I actually have it, so I got it on my camera now.
Okay, good.
So you're okay.
You have what? Oh, you have it on your
Well,
camera.
I took it on my camera,
That
so I
was
can.
smart. That was smart. Okay. Cool.
Okay, so number 10, what is the correct decision based on this evidence? Fail to reject the null hypothesis?
Do we skip p-value?
Value?
Yeah, I
Oh,
think
sorry,
so.
I did. Sorry, I already did that one, and I was like, oh, we're good. Okay, for p-value, did you guys get 0.333?
No. gotta look. Yeah, 0.333.
Angie, can I get in
Has
Bailey's?
somebody changed this to
Yeah, that's okay.
Um,
Would you mind something?
Yeah, it would be 0.333.
And why is it that?
Because when you are in the little spreadsheet, you change the type of test to less than, because the alternative is that the group 1 is less than the group 2.
Okay, so the picture that I have, the type of test it says not equal to. So did you switch that on yours from?
Yeah, I switched that on mine.
Can you show me a picture of that one and I'll take a picture?
Yep. One moment. So I changed it to less than, which gave us this p-value.
Great, thank you.
Because we're saying which ones, like it's less than this other. Is that what we're saying?
Yeah, group 1 is less than group 2.
Okay. All right, so number 10, what is the correct decision based on this evidence? We failed to reject the null hypothesis.
Yeah. Suppose instead that you had used the alternative hypothesis of group 1 not equaling group 2. What is the correct decision based on this evidence? So that would be what we
Still
had
the same.
before. The p-value, yeah, would still be too large.
We have insufficient evidence the mean dentist bills between the two cities are the same.
I think it's the second
So the
one.
last one?
Yeah.
Oh, the second one. Wait, hold on.
Because the
Between the
alternative
two cities are
is that they're
different.
not equal.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, sorry. I just had a brain fart.
You're good.
Um, okay, I'll read the next question then. Oops. This data represents the number of times freshman students from Utah and Colorado cook their own dinner. The first one represents the mean number of times a month that a student from Colorado cooks dinner, and let the second one represent this mean for Utah students. You suspect that freshmen from Utah cook dinner for themselves at different number of times than freshmen from Colorado. Perform a hypothesis test to determine your suspicion is correct. Null hypothesis is that they're equal to each other, and the level of significance is 0.05. So what is the appropriate alternative hypothesis? The second one?
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And
I'm getting negative 0.845.
I still haven't put in the equations.
Yeah, that's what
Okay.
I got too.
Wait. Test statistic. 0.845?
Can you share your screen with me, please?
Yes.
Wait, what you guys get?
Negative 0.845.
Got positive 845.
Maybe you switched up the data because Utah should be variable 2, Colorado should be variable 1.
Oh. Utah should be.
Why was
There's
it? Can you
Funny.
back up? Thanks.
Okie dokie.
Watch that.
And then the p-value, did you get
So
0.411?
negative.
Yeah, I got 411.
411.
On you.
And then we failed to reject.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, determine a 95% confidence interval. Sorry, at 95. Margin of error.
Did you guys get 3.681?
Still figuring it out.
Okay.
Margin. Wait, what did you get?
I got 3.681 because it comes out to
Yeah, that's what
equal.
I got.
Okay, I was gonna say my calculator 3.6805. So I just rounded up.
Are you guys good on that one?
No.
So you know how we got that, right?
Yeah, the difference between the numbers and the confidence interval.
Divided by 2.
And is it always divided by 2, or is it just when we have these two samples?
Well, because
I
you're doing
think
the
it is
upper
unless
bound
it's-
and the lower bound. So I don't know. I feel like it's always been divided by
think it
2,
would
but I'm
always
not
be.
really sure.
Okay.
Yeah, because even in the one sample
I think I
t-test,
forgot from her.
the lower,
Yeah.
upper.
Negative 3.681.
Should be positive 3.681.
Positive.
Maybe the like adding or doing this negative sign on the second one didn't work out or
Yeah,
something.
I must have did it on the one. Okay.
So wouldn't it be negative 3.681?
No.
No, I think it's positive because it's the first.
If you're
You
looking at the
do-
confidence interval, if you're adding lower bound, you would be minusing, right? So if you were adding it to get back to the, yeah, I think you're right. I just got mixed up.
No, you're fine. I mean, I could be wrong, but I think that's what became my calculation. I don't know.
I just
Okay, are
thought
you guys all good?
because you start out at -5 and then you add a +2, and that still leaves you like at a -3. Do it right now.
So if you, I can
Wait
even.
for just a minute, okay?
Let's see.
Pulse and tells you humans it can tell you
I just need you guys to go upstairs for a few more minutes until
Angie,
Yeah.
I'll show you what I did. So if you
Okay.
take
I don't understand.
this minus this divided by 2. That didn't work out. I did on my calculator before. I'll just show you my calculator. I did 2.214 minus 5.147, then put the negative, divided by 2. I think I need parentheses right here. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I think I started with the other one first, the -5 first, but
Oh, so you do the upper minus the lower divided by 2.
okay. Thanks. So inputting the lower is just the -5.147.
Yep. -5.147. You said that right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought you said 5. Sorry. And then the upper would be just 2.214.
Yep.
Any other questions or
Nope.
want to go over anything?
I already submitted it and we got 100%.
Yeah, I did too. So.
Great.
And I figured out a way how to get the Excel spreadsheet to figure out the margin of error for me.
Yeah, I just
Yeah,
set it
that's
up
what I did
too.
Yay.
All right. See you guys Monday.
See ya.
All right. Bye.
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 Did you have any other questions, Angie? Or are you okay?
Nope, I think that works good with me taking pictures of it. So I've got it
Okay.
now, so I can look at it when I get a computer that works with it. Thank you.
Okay. Sounds
Bye.
good. You're welcome. Bye.
Me and my